Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by defining the app theme resources so changes apply everywhere. First, add material components and choose theme. Material components as the parent so attributes like color primary work. Next, create res/values/colors, XML and res/values/themes, XML and declare your color tokens and theme style. This lets you change palettes centrally. Once done, set the application theme in Android Manifest to your new @style/app theme so activities inherit it immediately, and you can iterate without editing each layout. Now focus on the detailed implementation. Override material attributes like color primary, color on primary, and shape appearance in themes. XML so components follow your design system. Then create a parallel res/values_night/themes. XML that provides dark mode color tokens. Matching attribute names ensures seamless switching. To control mode programmatically, call app_compat_delegate. Set default night mode from your launcher activity or settings screen, which applies the theme variants without restarting the process. Make sure to rebuild resources so finish by applying and validating the style across the app. Set the theme in Android Manifest or call set theme in each activity. For a single screen, prefer context theme wrapper. Then rebuild and run on device and use Layout Inspector to verify material components pick up color and shape tokens. If you see inconsistencies, clean the build and invalidate caches. Make sure no layout or style is overriding attributes and that your theme parent is correct. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.